Day 30. Make your routine. Children, with today's topic, we are just left with one more topic and then the course is completed. And I hope that you all have made so far in this course with attention and with proper notice to all the important points that I have discussed with you. Today's topic is make your routine. Children, you get up in the morning. Then you take shower, get ready, have your breakfast, go to school, study there, play there, talk with friends there, come back home, have something, play sometime, or you watch TV sometime, complete your homework, have your dinner, etc. I think maximum children have this routine who are going to school, irrespective in which class you are. Similarly, students, when you make a routine to practice time and time again that how you are speaking, how you are presenting, then I am assuring you, you will get 100% results. All the children who have the specific concern, that is, they tend to get shy, they tend to get nervous, go through all the steps that are discussed with you in this course. Once you have selected the topic, in every video I have guided the proper steps so that you can go through your particular concern. And children, always remember that a nice speaker is not born. A nice speaker need not to have a melody in his voice. What you need to have is confidence. If you are confident, you can definitely become a very nice speaker. While you are speaking, it is really important that you are grammatically correct. Very minor problems are overlooked, but children, do not commit blunders of grammar while you are speaking. In that context, we do have our basic grammar course that is really very simple and made in the same format of videos along with text, images, so that it is interesting to study. You can go through the basic grammar course, that would be definitely an add-on for you. If you have a good grammar and you have done this course very carefully, then perfect. You are going to become a wonderful speaker. And for all those children who are facing some kind of trouble, some issue in their English grammar, they can go through our basic grammar course. So, this was today's video. See you in the next class with the final video of the course.